Guys, I have been using the newest from SKinMedica called the LUMIVIVE System now myself for about a month, and I am loving it. This is a two-part system. It has a morning and a night. The morning is more of your antioxidants. It's gonna protect against the damage from pollution like ozone, car fumes, smoke, and it's really giving you a little bit of anti-aging, a little bit of reverse of that damage. It also helps against UV light damage as well as blue light. So I know all of you guys are sitting there at night with that iPad in front of your faces with all of that blue light. You're actually damaging your skin with that blue light. Sorry, hate to tell you, but this guy's your friend with that. The night system is really to give you around the clock damage control. It's gonna give you more of that glow. And I'm not kidding, I'm already seeing it. And in their studies, they've actually seen in as little as 2 weeks, people are noticing the results. Again, so excited to have you try this. I like to use it after my TNS serum in the morning and at night. So great combo with the TNS serum as well, which as you guys know is one of my favorites.